How to turn on journaling suggestions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down, and in here, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we then scroll down, and then tap on Journaling and Journaling Suggestions, and then tap on Turn on Journaling Suggestions. Next, tap on Turn on Journaling Suggestions, and that's it. Once it is turned on, you can then choose to turn suggestions on or off for activity, media, contacts, photos, significant locations, and state of mind. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.